Hi, everyone. This is a recording to highlight Team Vega's key accomplishments in Sprint 230. As a reminder, Vega is a core development team for Folio with focus in circulation. Within Sprint 230, our efforts focused in 4 key areas, which were tasks and bug fixes, environments, which included testing and creating data, spikes, which included investigating and identifying solutions for tasks and bugs identified by or reported to the team, QA testing, which included test creation and review. To highlight a few key tasks, we changed or improved a default focus in UI checkout. We added an application icon in Settings, My Profile. We also reverted recent changes related to pick slips not printing in order to prepare for an alternate solution. We removed excessive login during GET calls for mediated requests, created a new check-in by barcode endpoint for secure check-ins, which related to Library of Congress, and we included global permissions in the package.json base permissions for several UI modules. On the next slide, Nina will demonstrate three key pieces of development for Sprint 230. Nina?
Hello, everyone. Let me share my screen. Yeah, the first improvement relates to secure pattern anonymization during check-in in central tenant. So now we are in secure tenant, and I've created some mediated requests. Some of them are already closed as field because item was checked out to this requester, and some mediated requests are still open. And I created mediated requests for non-alone material and alone material, and also fulfillment preference is set as delivery, and we can see address of a secure pattern user. And let's note this pattern user ID and move to central tenant and try to check in those items. And let's see what was changed during check-in process. Okay, item is routed to interim service point, and also I set transit sleep, and you can see that this transit sleep, it does not contain any secure pattern information, no names, no addresses, nothing to see secure pattern data. Also, we can print transit sleep from this section's menu, and we have the same, no sensitive data. And one more improvement in loan details. We can see these loan details, but user ID is like a fake ID. It's not equals to secure pattern real ID that we noted in secure tenant. And here also we can see that pattern has fake name etc. Okay, let's go back to check-in, and we can see also pattern details. Same fake ID and not real information, no barcode, and this ID also not real ID. Okay, and now let's try to check in loan material, and we expect almost the same behavior. Interim service point. Let's check transit slip. No information about secure patron user, but here we have some difference. No loan details, no patron details, because there is no information in central tenant about a loan material which lives in a secure tenant. That's why we have only those options, and yeah, we don't have anything, no information. Yeah, and the second update, it was about usability improvement during checkout process, and I created some items which will trigger confirmation pop-up during checkout. And let's see, this item has 3 pieces. This one has missing pieces. This item has already missing status. This one has checkout note. And the last one, it has combo, missing status, some pieces, some missing pieces, and checkout note. And now let's see what was improved. Let's try to check out those items. Yeah, and we can see confirmation pop-up, and default focus is on checkout button. It's underlined, but previously it was on this close button. And let's imagine that user doesn't want to check out and cancel. And focus remains in this field, so user should not click on it. Focus remains here. Let's try to check out the second. Yeah, the same behavior. Checkout button is active, and all data is here. The third one, confirm button is active. Let's try to check out this one with a checkout note. Yes, note is in place. Close button is not active. Confirm button is active. And the last one, let's try not to click on the button. I will just hit enter button, keyboard button. Confirm. One more time. Yes, check out. And we can see that item is checked out. And the last one improvement, which I wanted to demonstrate, is my profile setting. Now it has small icon. And that's it from my side. Thank you. Stop sharing.
Thank you, Nina. This concludes the demo. If there are any questions related to this work, please feel free to join the Open Library Foundation workspace for Folio through Slack and reach out to Team Vega via our Slack channel or use Jira to report issues. Thank you. Bye.